Opening tone, soft background music, close-up shots of a gleaming road bike. Do you ever feel that moment when your bike whispers for attention? The subtle click of a chain, the sigh of a worn brake, or the silence before a smooth ride. That's not just metal and rubber, it's your bike asking for care, for mastery, for your touch. Cut two hands cleaning and fixing a bike. Slow-paced visuals with natural light. Every true cyclist knows the magic isn't just in the ride, it's in the bond. And when you understand every bolt, every spoke, every gear shift, the bond becomes something extraordinary. Visual. Cover of Zin and the Art of Road Bike Maintenance appears. That Zin and the Art of Road Bike Maintenance has become the world's best-selling guide. Written by Leonard Zinn, a master of cycling craft. This book is your gateway to understanding your machine like never before. Whether you're adjusting your derailleur, tuning your brakes, or restoring an old bike to its glory, Zinn shows you how to do it all, step by step. Cut to montage of riders gliding smoothly on open roads, because the more you know your bike, the more your bike gives back to you. Freedom, power, precision, it all begins with maintenance, done right. Closing voice lowers slower rhythm. So, if you're ready to turn your rides into something truly personal, click the link below this video and get Zin and the Art of Road Bike Maintenance. From the official site today. Your bike deserves it. And so do you. Would you like the delivery style to feel more elegant and cinematic like a luxury ad, or energetic and passionate like a cycling